Okay, good day everyone. Welcome to the last part of this project, this Excel project, food poisoning reports. Please remember to like, follow, and subscribe this channel. So today we are looking at the completion. We are trying to complete this project. So I already came up with these good courses and recommendation. So you can just look at it and try to write it on your own. So what we are trying to do today is that we are trying to add this. We are trying to make all of these buttons, we are trying to make them functional. So when we click on this button, you can see the largest button here. I want it to show the first page here. Then the second one should show the second dashboard. When you click on this dashboard, when you click on the second page here, it showed you this. It should take you to the second dashboard. Then when you click on something like home, it show you the food poisoning. That is the um, it should show you the raw data set. So when you click on close, it should close the data set. So that's the effect of we want to make the buttons functional. And we also want to add a slicer here. So we'll see how that will work out. So let's just go into it as soon as possible. So the first thing we need to do is that we need to click on our file button, then click on your option. So you can see we have customized ribbon here. So you want to check your developer. So because I already have mine checked, you just check yours, then click on OK. Once you click on OK, you have your developer tab here. So after then you can go to your file, click on save as, click on I want to save my own on this desktop. So you click on desktop, then change it from Excel workbook to Excel macro enabled workbook because we are trying to use a macro. So you click on save. So because I already have my own save already, so I'll click on yes. So which is good. So now let's continue. So the first thing we want to do is we want to go to our developer page. Then there is this thing called record macro. So from the word record macro mean everything that you do is from the name is just like you are trying to record everything you do till you stop the recording. So now the first page, remember we are just trying to we are just trying to be on the first page basically. So I'll just go on that. I'll click on the record macro. I'm sorry. Okay, record macro. Sorry, I'm in dashboard 2. Let's start from dashboard 1. So I this first page, when you click on this first button, it should show you this one. You should not move away from this one. So the first thing you just do is what? You go to your developer, click on your record macro. Then I can save this one to dashboard 1. Dash 1. Please don't add any space there, it won't work. So okay, so anything that I do now is being recorded, but because this particular button here, I'm not trying to go or toggle between different page or something. So I'll just go back and stop my recording, go to my developer, and I can stop my recording. So I can then right click on this emoji, then click on assign macro. So I already have dashboard 1, so I can double click on that. So when you click on this button now, and it is a button, it's actually working, but it is showing you this. But you will understand better when I do this one now. So the second thing you want to do is you want to go to your record macro again. So this one, let's say dashboard 2, dash 2, right? So now, okay. So I must not put any space, and I warned you the other time, and I was the one that made the mistake. Funny. Okay, so now we have dashboard 2. So we click on OK. So now this dashboard 2, I want to click on when I click on this button, it should show me what dashboard 2. So because I'm recording my step, anything that I do now will it be is being recorded. So I'll just click on dashboard 2 manually, then I can stop this recording. So it has stopped. So I can right click on this button on this emoji here, then assign macro. So that's dashboard 2. So now when I click on this button, let's go to our dashboard 1. I think I did mistake. I think I assigned it to dashboard 2. It's not supposed to be so. Control Z. Okay, let's go to dashboard 1. Right click on this, assign macro. Then this should lead us to dashboard 2. So now when I click on this dashboard 2 now, can you see it leads me to dashboard 2? You can see this is the root causes. Let me do that again. When you click on this button, you can see it leads me to root causes. From dashboard 1, when you click on this recommendation tab, when I click on this button, it leads me to root causes page. So basically that's how the button works. So the same thing, you will do that for the home tab. So the first thing is you will click on your developer, click on record macro. Then what are we trying to do? You can just name this one home, then click on OK, right? So this one, it is recording everything that we are doing, right? So we just want to go to our home page. You can click on the drop down, go to our view tab, um, check our formula, make something like this, always show within, right? You can see this is almost everything. Then we just click outside. So we can then stop our developer. You can actually do anything, but we stop our recording now. So I will go back to my dashboard one, right click on this emoji, then assign macro. So I have my home here. So now when I click on this emoji, can you see it leads me to something like this? Can you see? So I can just full screen mode, go to my view. So you can see when I click on this home for that from dashboard one, can you see I have something like this? So you can see how the button is working very well. So we'll do the same for dashboard 2. So I will right on this dashboard 2, I can just go here, assign macro, assign my home tab here. Yeah, that is when I click on this one on dashboard 2, it leads me here. So for dashboard 2, because this one, because this dashboard 2, so I'll go back to my, this big button should actually show me the dashboard 2. So I right click on this one, go to my assign macro, then click on dashboard 2. Then this one, right click, go to assign macro, then click on dash 1. So now when I click on this button, is it working? It's not working. Okay. Okay, let's get it down. This is working. That's working. What about this? This is working. No, none of them is working. Okay. Okay, this is working, but this is not working. Okay, let's try to redo that one. So for my root courses, go to my developer page, click on record macro. So this should be let me just say 1. So you can actually name it something very reasonable. So click on OK, click on OK. Okay, let me just name it A. Is that fine then? Click on OK. So from dashboard 2 now, whenever I click on this button, I want it to lead me here. So then I can just go back to my developer. Then I will stop recording. So then I can go back to my dashboard 2. Right click on this one, assign macro. Then it's A. So when I click on this emoji now, okay, it's working. Everything is now working fine. So now let's test it. This recommendation, the first one is showing this page. The second one is leading us to the root causes. And the third one is leading us to the home page. So that's working very well. So for this one, the first one is leading us to this root causes page. The second one is leading us to recommendation page. Sorry, you have to go here. So it's leading us to the recommendation page, which is working. Then the third one is leading us to the home page, which is working also. So let's try to do our close, and then we already know how to do everything now. So let me try to save. Okay. I don't want to actually close it. Well, it's fine. So now let's go to record macro. Let me write close here. So let's click on OK. What's happening? Okay. So what do I want to do? I want to close this. So let's just leave it like this. So it will show this one because I can actually just click on save. But let's just leave it like this. So let's just do cancel. Let's see. I don't know the outcome. But let's go. I think I saved the guys for the guys. Okay, let's go to our record. Okay, I don't think that will work. But instead of using our close button, let's use minimize button. So let's try to go to our record macro. Then let's try to use minimize instead of close. I don't think that will work. So let's click on minimize. Okay. So that one should be this. Then let's go back there again. Click on stop recording. So let's see what's happened. So let's start to go here, right click on this. So assign macro. So we have, I want to look at what this close mean. Okay, when I click on this, I don't think that works. Okay, let's go to assign macro. Let's minimize it. Let's see if that works. Okay, that works. It's better. Okay, that's all. So we go to dashboard one. We also assign the same assign macro, then click on minimize. Okay, that's working so well. So now the next thing is we want to add a pivot table. So we go to our analysis, click on any of this pivot table, then go to your insert tab. So we already have something, we have slicers here, sorry. I want to say import slicers. So I actually need only one slicer, which is called the income group. So I already have my slicers here. So I'll click on that, click on this column. I want to increase it to 2 so you can see we have developing side by side. So I want something like this. So the next thing I'll be doing here is that I'll go to my inserts, I'll go to my slicer, sorry, then click on report connection. So I will check everything I can see here. I'll check all the pivot table that I can see here. I'll check all of them. So click on OK. So I can just click on this one now. Then do Control X, then go to my dashboard one, maybe click on the box, then Control V. So I have it here. So you can see if I put it somewhere around here, or if I put it somewhere around there, it will disfigure what I've been building since morning. So I have to format it a bit. So how do we format this type of stuff? It's a little bit tricky, but then let's go. So the first thing I want to do is I want to go to my inserts, then no, hold on. I have to click on this. Okay, I already clicked on it. So go to my sliders. Let's go to slider setting first. So I actually don't want to see my header. What's the header? I don't want to see this income group. So I want to check it off. So you can see once I check it off, this income group now it will leave. Once I click on OK. So can you see we don't have that again? Okay, which is better and it makes my stuff look more professional. So I can just arrange this one better like this. But then looking this white and blue, it doesn't really sit well with me. So I'll click on this particular drop down again, or this particular box slicer. So I'll go to I want to change the color. So I already have it. It will look something like this. So let's look at how it looks like. Can you see? It looks very, very good now. You can see once you click on something like this, everything changes. If you click on developed, can you see? These are the developed value. All the values are changing. When I click on developing value, can you see all of the charts are changing? So that's what we want to do. But before then, let's go to Ctrl Z. Let's try to build something like that ourselves. So how do we go about that? So the first thing we need to do is that we need to go to the developer tab. Oh, I'm sorry, slicers. I don't know why I keep saying developer tab. So the next first thing we click on this drop down, then click on new style, new slicer style, because we actually don't have the one that will fit our style here. Just ignore this one. I just made this one before the class. So I'll click on new slicer style. So it is asking you that okay, the old slicers. So because we have a various way to actually edit, format these slicers. It's asking you that okay, these old slicers, how do you want to look like? That is this box, this white box is here. How do you want to look like? So I want to click on these old slicers, click on format. I actually want it to have a blue color, a blue background. So I'll click on fill. I'll click on fill, then I'll choose the color I've been using, which is this blue. I think is it I think this is the blue I've been using. Okay, I think this is the blue I've been using. So okay, that's just like that. Click on OK. So it is already showing you a preview that is okay, our slider is blue, the background is blue. Okay, but for selected item with data, that is when I select something, I want it to be a different color than the other. So I want it to be, I can click on format. So let it have a grayish background. So you can see this grayish background. So the font, if it has a big grayish background, the font should be somewhere black, bold and black, so that you can see it very well. So you want to click on bold here, then click on this automatic and click on black. Right. So when I click on OK now, it is already showing you that we have a black background, then we have white or something. When you select it, you already know that okay, I'm selecting this one. Okay, what about unselected item, the one that you are not selecting? You want to format that one too? Click on format. If I'm not selecting you, I don't want you to have a different color. Maybe just the text. So I'll just click on this format. Then this, I just want it to be bold italics. Yeah. Then the color should be white. Yeah, let it be white or gray. So which is okay. Click on OK. So we can just click on OK now. So now we'll click on this slicer again. Then click on our slider. So I already have what I did here. So you can see. So you can just click your own. Once you click yours, you will see you only have one. But because I've made two now, so I'll click on this. So let's see what we have. So you can see now. Once I click on developing, can you see it has a black font, which is what we did. So this one that we are not clicking at all, it has a white font. So once I click on it, can you see this one now? It's now the white font. So it looks so professional. So I can just do Control C here, go to my second dashboard, then do Control V. So I can just resize it here. Now can you see how beautiful that is? So and there we have it. We are done with all the dashboard. We are done with all the project. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a good day, everyone. Bye.